back to another episode of Ski Bound and Down. We're at Sugarbush, and it's bound to be another spring skiing day here. And yeah, so I've got some friends coming in a little bit. Looking forward to that. Okay, wow. This might be even a little stickier than yesterday. Let's see how this goes. Bring it. Sprinkling indeed.
I think I'm gonna bag it. I'm not.
You got baggers. Got people talking about the bag before we even go skiing.
Been gone been too long, honey, I know. So you said no, and now you're coming on. Oh. Summer, said the summer's come. I've been hurt before. Oh, I left that in the cold. So don't expect me now to love you like I wanted to before the fire's closed. I don't know you anymore, your echo's gone. Your echo's gone. Your echo's gone. Your record's gone. And I still don't know why I call you mine. And I still don't know why I call you mine. Your record's gone.
This is just like the perfect spot.
Yeah.
Whew, that was nice.
Yeah.
Really something you can dig your teeth in. Get those, I don't know. I think of bumps more like scraping than skiing. Just trying to get behind every bump. See how many gates I can get behind. Whee! Shocked by my luck and had to share this moment on the Super Bravo chairlift. Chair number 87 had footrests. For some time now, Sugarbush Resort has not had footrests on their chairlifts. I understand there are many reasons for this decision, and you can see the meticulous welding job on each chair to remove the existing footrests. However, for me, this presents a serious problem which prevents me from riding at the bush as much as I would like. I've shared several times about my foot problems, and for me, footrests or the like are necessary, or my day becomes very short indeed. This ride was a gift for me on this day.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my goodness. Oh, bless you.
Aggressive bumps. Now we chill. I think this was actually also bumps, just a little more chill. That was fun. That's the fun moment. All right, usually a pretty good trail. Bumps looked good on the way down. So let's see. Should be good. Oh. good, right? Getting something less covering. This bag is way too much. Oh my. It's a way too much jacket. Friends got here. Thought I got through the exciting content early, so hang out with them more. Let's see what we got here. Oh boy. Well, we'll look at the sleeper shoot. Ski past them. That's pretty good. Ready? Let's do it.
This one you start up a little bit higher on this side.
Yeah, I guess. It's in the dark too. I mean, little pulse. Somebody lost their pulse. Look at me, I'm going. I'm so fast.
might have been your top speed for the season.
Probably.
I just decided to straight line that.
Yep, that was an option, I guess.
Wow.
All good, whatever. I just didn't see you. What's up? Yep.
That was cool.
Yeah. There she goes.
Yeah, I'm doing it. Don't worry.
Not worried. So this is a perfect spot. So watch me watch the gear. Oh no, that's not as good. Oh, there it is. Nice 3.
Go off and jump.
Go off the jump. Not the low one, that one. Okay, never mind. That one was perfect. You could have just gone right over it.
Yeah, I know. I avoided it.
Oh, here we go. Woo! Nice.
Oh, wait. Oh.
Ooh, but like if I go first, you're gonna be way behind me.
Oh, okay. All right, ready?
Like you
Yeah.
guys go,
Go.
and then I'll follow.
Yep. I got a shit ton of air. You gotta launch yourself, dude. I mean, it's a sport, and if you don't do the technique, it will punish even the best athlete. You know, it's a skill-based game. I mean, you gotta learn the skills, right? So I'm bouncing, right? I'm bouncing. It's why it seems like I'm never off balance. Because I'm, oh, stop.
Sorry.
That's not your fault. That's not your fault. That's their fault.
Okay. But that's basically my worst fear.
Yep. This way, or do we want to hit the end of this park?
Yeah, let's just do that.
The park?
Sure.
You just said let's do this. I don't know what that meant.
Yeah, I don't know. Just
Okay.
go.
Yeah, I mean, we got a couple jumps here.
Jig, go off the jump.
Go off the jump. These are perfect jumps for you. That's not a jump. To the right's a jump. Yep. Okay, maybe not. All right, I'm following you. Let's doing it. We're doing it.
All right.
All three, right in a row. Don't fall. I told you not to fall. Okay, ready? So just remember, these bumps are really soft. These bumps are really soft. So the game is, you go down a chute and then up the next bump. So watch what I do. Right, you're down the chute, up the bump. Down the chute, up the bump. Down the chute, up the bump. Right, we're here. We're here. Right, you go down the chute, up the bump. We're down the chute, we're up the bump. Down the chute, we're up the bump. Down the chute. Down the chute. Down the chute. Right. Down the chute.
Part of the trail,
Yeah.
and then I went off a jump, landed in soft powder, and yeah.
But you see what I'm getting at, right?
Yep.
You see why it's easier for me to do this?
Yeah.
See how I'm not killing my speed? I'm using gravity. Oh, this is so fun.
So this way?
Whatever you want to do, man. This way is going to be easier, though.
Yeah.
Whatever you want.
I want harder.
Okay. Follow them.